Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this backgrounds. Now you have to select this circle, color circle, and bring this circle to here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to tools, tap on tools. Now tap on crop. Now select portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, tap on add photo. Friends, this is the background. Zoom out, stretch out like this, and bring little down. Perfect. Now tap on blend. Now make it screen. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness, erase on the bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select model image. Friends, this is main model image. Stretch out and you have to arrange it in the center like this in this portion. Perfect. Now I am going to rotate it. Tap on flip rotate. Now tap on third one and arrange in the center like this. Perfect. Next step, go to adjust. Tap on saturation. Decrease little saturation. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness. Now we have to erase on the bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on opacity. Keep opacity around 60, 65. Perfect. Now we have to arrange in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select PNGs one by one. Friends, this is a PNG. Stretch out and you have to bring little down to here. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select Friends, this is standing pose model image. Stretch out and you have to arrange it in the center like this. Okay, perfectly you have to arrange it in the center. Perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, keep this 100, keep this 100. Now tap on adjust, increase the 200 and decrease it around 20. Perfect. Now tap on text and you have to write the model name. Tap on done. Tap on tick. Now tap on this up arrow. Now go to my fonts and you have to select Night Shift font. I will give this font link in the description. Now simply rotate, bring it to middle, zoom out, rotate perfectly. Perfect. Take little up. Perfect. Now tap on shadow. Now make this 100. Sorry, you have to decrease it little bit to around 20 and decrease this also around 30. Perfect. Zoom out little bit. Now tap on layers, tap on move down. It is perfect. Next step, go to add photo and select shadow PNG. This is shadow PNG. Bring it to here. Now tap on move down and we have to arrange perfectly below the leg. Now tap on duplicate and bring another one here. Decrease the size. Tap on move down and you have to arrange it perfectly. Perfect. Now tap on model, standing pose model. Now go to adjust, decrease little brightness, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, give little highlights. Now tap on tick. Now tap on tick. And we have to save this image in PicsArt and jump into the Snapseed app. See you there. Open Snapseed app, tap on plus. First step, go to pencil and tap on text, double tap, and you can write whatever slogan you want. I'm going to write Instagram model.com. Simply you can write whatever you want. Now I'm going to arrange it in this portion here. Now tap on tick. Now next step, tap on pencil, tap on vignette, zoom out circle like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil, go to details, increase little details. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil, tap on HDRscape and select the nature. Now decrease it, give the effect around 15. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special dual photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. If you want, you can edit the hair part in Autodesk app. Okay, now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.